So I'm going to show you how to remove a screw or a nail out of your tire and how to plug the tire on your vehicle. This is for a car or a truck. We're going to use these rope plugs. These aren't the tire plugs that you need a machine and they put a patch. The tire stores won't use these plugs anymore, but they've been on the market forever. In my opinion, they work way better than what the tire store is going to do. I've had those patches in the past, the little dongle that sticks out that sticks through the hole, and I've had them fail in like 3 weeks 4 different times, so they suck. So I'm going to use the old school rope style with the glue. These things have been around forever. I'll put a link in the description of this video over to Amazon, and if you want to buy them off there you can, but let's get to it. This isn't that hard to do. You can't pull a nail or a screw or whatever out of a sidewall of a tire. If you got a nail or something in the sidewall, it's you need a new tire because of the integrity of the tire is going to be compromised. But if it's in the center or where mine is, you can, as long as the tire is in decent shape and it's not too worn out. So let's get to it. So I take my rear tire off and I just put a chock under the front tire to keep the car from rolling. If you have a 2-ton floor jack like this, throw a jack stand under it also to support the car in case this fails. Right, so here is the screw or nail or whatever is inside my tire. So we're going to use these rope plugs, and this is kind of a heavy duty set, but the link I'll put in the description will be something a lot more user friendly. This is going to ream out the hole once you take the nail or the screw out. This tool right here, you put the tire plug through it and you put some glue on it, you put it in the hole, you let it set for a minute, you pull it out, and then we do is we'll cut the excess off, and let's get to it. All right, so I'm going to have the reaming tool right beside me. I'm going to pull that nail out. I'm going to put this in as fast as I can so we don't lose too much air. You want to clean the hole out and ream this thing. All right. So you're going to take your glue, and you're going to put it on your tire plug. I'll kind of smother it on there. Oop, there you go. Put some glue on my tire plug. All right. Alright, it's in. Then I'll pull my tool out and the tire plug will stay in there. And this was the screw that was in my tire. I got a low tire light this morning. There we go, let that set up for a minute. Okay, so usually you'll have a little bit of excess plug hanging out. So you can use the snips to snip the rest of it off, or I can use a razor blade. I'm going to use a razor blade because my snips are kind of toast. I need better snips. I'm just going to cut this off. All right. That looks pretty good. So you're not done yet. What you need to do now is take some soap and water and spray the plug. And watch for any bubbles. You know, soapy water will make bubbles if the air is escaping. You might need to try it again, or you might need a new tire. But this one looks pretty good. There's no bubbles, so we should be all set. So I'm going to toss my tire back on my car, but that's all there really is to it. And this was an okay size nail, but it wasn't so big that it ruined the tire. This car does need some tires pretty soon for the winter, but that's how easy it is. It isn't that bad. You should always keep, you know, a tire plug kit handy in your shop. I'm preaching to the choir because I had to borrow this one off somebody because I didn't have a good one. But I'm gonna buy one offline, and like I said, I'll put a link in the description of the video if you want to buy one off of Amazon. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. Take care.